Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my pandan bread recipe. And it actually goes so well with my ripple ice cream that I've shown you earlier. It's soft, fragrant, and fluffy. So to get things started, cut pandan leaves into small pieces. Blend well with water in a blender. Strain the mixture and discard the fibre. Measure out 175 ml of pandan juice. Set aside. In a bread machine or stand mixer, add in all of the ingredients starting with the wet ingredients, pandan juice and vegetable oil. Dry ingredients, bread flour, yeast, sugar, milk powder, and salt. Knead the mixture for about 20 minutes until it is elastic. Let it proof for about an hour until double in volume. Divide the dough into 3 portions and knead the dough accordingly before rolling them up. Transfer into a bread loaf pan and let it proof for another hour or until it reaches 90% of the pan's height. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Let it cool in the pan for about 5 minutes before unmolding it. Cover with a kitchen towel immediately for further cooling. bread goes extremely well with ice cream. Check out my 1 step 4 ingredients ripple ice cream recipe.